Today's video is to show another option builders leave for our installers when it comes to connecting our wires to a flush box. Here you can see there's no jib on the wall. This is great for our installers. They've pre-cut the jib but not put it on the wall yet, so we can easily install our cables without any of the risk that the draw wire has. It's still the same process no matter if there's jib on the wall or not. First we must twist together the probe and the element cold tail wires, then tape together for security. Taping the wires together also makes this next step of threading it through the hole in the framing a lot easier. We need to make sure that we don't pull the probes into the wall, so we make sure there's enough wire for them to be positioned correctly. Then we simply just weave it up behind the framing until we reach the flush box, which is where our thermostat will be attached. So here you can see that the wires go all the way from the flush box down to the floor where it connects to our heating element wire. Now we are adjusting the length of the probe wire so that we can correctly place them between two wires, carefully taping them down so not to move, as well as taping down the rest of the loose wires for security. All we need to do is tape up the loose ends of the wire so the builders know not to cut them. Now you've seen how simple it is connecting our wires to a flush box when there's no jib on the wall.